nahihirapan ka ba? Manligaw? Panliligaw?
Kung na alam yung mga bagay na noon,
You, honest. Sorry.
Kasi friendly ako eh.
Okay.
So, hindi naman masyado. Hindi ko na kung paano ko sasabihin na.
Hindi ko pa kasi
siguro. Mahirap kasi. Parang mahirap yung magbuhat na sarili mo.
Masama akong tao! Masama akong tao noon.
Parang si Jelly ay maraming alam sa'yo.
Oo nga eh.
Grabe ako. Lahat na ginawa ko. Lahat.
O eto naman, for Miss Alice and Miss Jelly, ano ba yung mga natitipuhan yung guy? Do you go for looks, body, ugali, or minsan may mga babae na
gusto yung
power.
God-fearing.
Or power. Yung mga may...
Para sa anak yung mga God-fearing.
Miss Alice.
Ako kasi basta well-rounded, probably jack of all trades, somebody who's funny, who's done some traveling, you know, who knows things. Doesn't have to be looks kasi are secondary I think for women. It's usually personality. It's usually personality and stuff like that.
Ito sinalma pa yung looks.
Jelly.
Siguro gusto ko yung malakas ang dating. Yung not necessarily sa looks. Of course it would be great, di ba?
May Ariel
Kung
Rivera ka
pogi, di ba? Pero sometimes kasi parang once a person enters a room and then if he grabs your attention.
He grabs what?
Your attention.
He grabs my shoulders.
Yung ganon, parang kasi somebody with character can hold your attention and then carry a conversation. Ayun ang okay yun. Kasi sinasabi mo, well-rounded. Of course, eventually, that will all come, no? Ang initial attraction naman na pinag-uusapan natin dito, di ba? Tama ba ako sa aking pagkakaintindi? Yung malakas ang dating, kailangan. Para talaga, okay, sino yun? Yan.
Ganun ba yung dating sa'yo ni Ariel?
Oo naman, tara mo kayo.
Si Ariel model noon ng Kwan eh. Hindi. Meron siyang t-shirt na endorse.
Ano? Octopus Army.
Oo, tapos crush na si Ariel. Tapos naalala. Parang may movie.
Pero may crush din siya sa'yo.
Hindi pa namin alam.
Hindi pa namin alam yun nun eh.
Hindi pa namin alam.
Ang alam na, okay kasi kasama ko nung time na yun. In fact, ikaw nagbigay ng number ko kay Ariel, di ba? I remember.
Tapos, holding hands na sila agad.
Agad-agad? Pero si Ariel naman yung gumawa ng first move.
Sa kanya kinuha yung number ko eh.
Ang haba ng hair.
Haba ng hair.
Wala pa kasing cellphone noon.
Wala. Ay, beeper pala yun.
Beeper pala. Bakit?
Hello, message for...
Yes.
How are you?
Ano yung number ng... Ano ka beeper? Bakit ba ka pa or easy call?
Hindi ko na maalala.
So anyway.
Parang tagal na, no? Anyway, so, kasi matagal na po kayo magkakakilala, right? And now that you're working together, meron bang mga parang memories na nabibring up sa mga conversations na naaalala nyo? Or maybe feelings kung meron? Kasi we heard na si Sir Ogie dati crush mo daw si Miss Alice.
Ano dati
hanggang
na
ngayon
ngayon?
ba?
I didn't know that.
Don't force me to tell you.
Oh my God! I didn't know that. Grabe.
I'm embarrassed.
Oh, so when I did like that pala to your
Ano ba the whole nation? I was crying when I went back to the Who didn't like Alice Dixon? Diba? During the days of
Kahit ako eh.
Yeah, even
Kahit
Jelly.
ako, kaya crush on you.
But we never really got to work together.
No,
Not really. Kasi, syempre, drama. Tsaka yun lang. Diba?
Tsaka you were doing variety shows.
Yes.
Doing
So,
different things.
ngayon lang talaga kami nag-work.
How about kayong dalawa po ni Miss Jelly? Kasi syempre yung tropang trumpo days and all, may mga napag-uusapan ba na, naalala mo nung ganito?
Madami, lagi naman.
Tuwing.
At,
Ay, yung ginawa natin gano'n, yung gano'n.
at laging ako ang masama.
Wala akong sinasabi!
Pero,
What's the fondest memory that you remember working together before?
Working or like just being as
Pwedeng
friends?
just being friends. Fondest memory together.
With Jelly.
Mhm.
Ikaw muna, mahirap eh.
Ikaw muna. Masyado kasi marami.
Yung kanina, ano ba yung pinag-usapan natin?
Baguio.
Wag yun.
Alam ko yun. Ako na lang magkwento.
Oh, sige.
Wag yan.
Nandun sila tatlo.
Wag yan.
Nagda-driving sila. Okay.
Sino yung pangatlo?
Hindi, yung ex-wife ko.
Okay.
Can I have a beer?
Hindi, ito na lang. Was there ever a time na nagkaroon kayo ng awkwardness or hindi kayo nag-usap because, because of Regine and, Sir Ariel?
Well, there was a time hindi kami
Oo
nag-usap.
nga, no?
Kasi it
Tama.
was strange.
Mhm.
I think it was stranger for you than for me.
Oo, ako parang, sorry kasi but, but that was before.
Mhm.
Yeah, and we talked about it.
We did ba?
We did.
Actually,
Sama ni Archie.
yes, we did. Yeah, we did.
At ang maganda ngayon, you still...
Hindi kasi si
You are still
Jelly is...
Here. I think you're crying na.
Si Jelly kasi is Hindi, kumari kong buo to eh. Diba? Pati si Ariel. So, close ako sa kanila. So,
Okay na.
After that,
Yun. So wala namang ilangan na nangyari na...
bakit ba pinipilit mo yan? Okay, sige na ilan kami. Nahirapan ako. I had a hard time. I became an addict.
And an alcoholic.
Pinipilit ko yan
Hindi kasi kayo pong dalawa ni Miss Jelly, you're known for being comedian. So si Miss Alice, mas nalinya siya before sa drama. So ngayon po, how are you stepping up para makasabay dun sa brand of humor na ipapakita sa audience?
Are you serious?
Hindi
I
kasi
think
sila
she's
ma-reach.
hilarious. I think she has a crazy streak. No, I meant that in a
She
good way.
really does.
I mean, I think she's nuts.
It's
Yes,
true. And
she is.
kaya lang, I have to create the avenue so that it comes out right on TV.
yeah.
Kasi I'm nuts in real life.
Yeah,
Because
it's-
Mukha nga she is eh. Yeah.
But it's interesting working with this group kasi they're very creative. Like we sit down at lunch breaks or dinner breaks, and then we just talk and get to know each other, and then
Ang slam
Teka
yan,
lang.
no?
I'm trying not to listen and look at her.
You're trying.
Busy
Ako
ako.
naman na ako. Baka
And so-
nakikinig. Okay.
and so ang daming magandang nuggets na natutunan ko. Kasi they've worked together before,
Yeah.
and or they're all comedians. Ako lang yata ang hindi. So nakikita ko how they apply their yung wittiness, and marami ako natututunan sa kanila.
Okay.
Hindi natututo daw sa'yo sa Chinese.
Nabanggit natin kanina kasi
Learn
diba
more.
halos sabay-sabay silang nag-start sa showbiz mga late 80s if I'm correct. Okay? So, pagbalik ng pep talk, tanungin natin kung ano yung mga changes na nakita nila throughout the years. So, bago yan, magbabalik po ang pep talk.
Wow, first gap. You don't know what's gonna happen in 5-10 years from now, diba? So, wherever life takes me, that'll always be. But my heart will always be here din. Kasi lumaki ako sa industriya.
So is your heart really?